Are you struggling to use TradingView? Don't worry, I will show you exactly how to set it up and use it like a pro, even if you're a complete beginner. Alright, first thing first is that this is a premium account. Yes, you know, in TradingView we have different type of plan. Yeah, let me put it that way. We have the free plan, which is also known as the basic plan. We have the essential plan, we have the plus plan, we have the premium plan, we have the expert plan, we have the ultimate plan. But basically what we need as a trader is either the essential plan, the plus, or the premium plan. We don't need the ultimate plan or the expert plan. The ultimate or expert plan is for commercial traders like the banks or hedge funds. Alright, now one of the advantage of paid plan is that it is ad free. It is what? Ads free. So no ads just pop up. Those ads are actually, I count it as disturbance. Another advantage of the paid plan is that you can backtest, that's bar replay mode. Yes, and another advantage of the paid plan is that you can customize your time frame. Yes, so I've listed 3 advantages of paid plan. Either you are using essential or you are using the premium or the plus, these advantages is applicable. Alright, let me show you what bar replay mode means. Bar replay mode is actually good for what? Back testing. Yes, when you want to play price back in time to see how you want to see how the price played back in time. Alright, look at something like this now. You can see, look at something like this. Alright, you see, okay, look at this. The price is playing. You can see I can actually make it faster if I wish. I can make it faster. All I have to do, I just come here, I can increase it to 5 times. You can see. Alright, like this, I can use it to test my watch strategy. These are actually the features of what bar replay mode. I can increase it to the highest times. You can see this. Alright, this is actually very good in what testing. Alright, another advantage of the paid plan is that you can customize your time frame. Now we have default time frames. Default time frames are what the 5 minutes, the 1 minute, the 15 minutes. But if you look at my chart, you can see I have the 3 minutes, I have the 7 minutes. I actually customize this, although I don't really use the 7 minutes. I only just did this down to show you guys in the video that you cannot actually customize time frame if you are using the essential plan, the plus plan, or the premium plan. Alright, look at this. You can also customize hours. In the default hours, you don't have what? You don't have 8 hours. But I actually customized 8 hours exactly. Alright, that's good. Let me just go back to the 15 minutes. Alright, let me start with here. Alright, look at this for the account name. This for drawing panel. If I switch this off, you can see there's no drawing panel there again. You can see, but if I switch it on, you can see now I have what? My drawing panel. And this for language. Choose the language. If I click here now, you can see we have English, Indian, we have different kind of languages, but I'm just going to leave it in English. Alright, look at the app setting. The app setting, that's if you wish to change it to light. You can see that's changed to light, but I prefer dark. Alright, yeah, I prefer dark color, dark theme. Alright, look at this. What do we have here? We have the word arrow, we have the dot, we have the cross. Look at the cross. You can see. Use it for maybe want to highlight anything. Alright, what else do we have? We have the dots. Use the dots. See that? Alright, what else? This is a new feature. Look at demonstration. You can see. Look at, they said, what did they say? They said hold alternate for temporary drawing. You can see now I'm holding alternate, so you can just draw with that. Any drawing at all you want, you can hold the alternate key down. All right, and then you leave it, it what slightly disappears just like that. But I prefer, all right, this eraser. And see this eraser, for instance, let's assume you just draw anything, you can just easily use your what eraser. Alright, the eraser is still on. You can just easily use your eraser to what, and easily use your eraser to take it off. Yeah, it's gone. Alright, but let me just put it back in the arrow. What do we have here? We have what, trend lines. See, we have what, trend lines, and even at this you can still edit your trend line. Exactly, look at, you can edit it here to whichever color you want. If you prefer white color, and see, any color at all you want, any color at all, any color, you just have to keep picking the color. Gives any color you want, but I think I prefer blue. Yeah, so you can still adjust it to, yeah, here is 2 pixel. So if I press 2, that's actually the thickness of trend line, how you want your trend line to be. You can see this. Alright, but I just prefer 1. So what is this for? Alright, if you want to be a dashed line, you can see you have a dashed line. If you want it to be a dotted line, alright, but I prefer to just be a line. What is this for? Alright, if you wish the settings, you can see this is the settings of the trend line. And here now you can write anything. If you wish to write anything at all, let's assume I just feel like writing anything at all. Alright, look at this. Alright, I don't just want to write anything that is not pertaining to forex. Alright, look at this. Right, let's say we want to add text and just right click. You can see we have text, we have style, and so I press here, you can see I have what, left extended line. I don't want that. If I press here, I have what, right extended line. I don't want that either. Alright, what is this? Midpoint. You can see midpoint. It's telling me the midpoint of the chart. What is price level for? Let me see. Alright, so we don't need that. So let's go to text. Look at this text now. Let me say this is a swing high. So let's assume I just want to write swing high. So swing high. You can see. Now through these settings, look at this is text alignment. Let's assume I want it to be at the top. You get, I want it to be at the bottom. Say bottom. I want it to be at the middle. Just say middle. You see that? But I prefer it to be at the top. So look at this center. I want it to be at the left. I want it to be at the right. But I prefer it should be at the center. Okay. So we have bold. See, it's a little bit bolder. So we have what, italics. You can see when I click the italic, like in italic form. Alright. Not just that. Look at this. Is for the text color. If you want your text to be in any other color, you can see any other color. It keeps changing, the color keeps changing, but I just prefer white color. Alright, even at that, if you feel like increasing the text, make it bigger, and see it's bigger. Make it bigger, it's bigger. Feel like making it smaller, but I just prefer about 14. Yeah, not hard. But that's that about the trend line. Alright, what else do we have here? We have a lot of things. I don't use all of what is here. I don't use majority of it. I think I only use the horizontal row. So let's come here, let's see what we have. Alright, here we have what Fibonacci. You can see it's in favorite. So majority of the things I use, I just put them in favorite, and anything good in favorite, you see it. So instead of me clicking and be looking for it, so I just put them in what favorite. So we have the Fibonacci, any other thing. If you use any of this, what you just have to do is click it, click on it, and what comes out. So let's check here also. I don't use any of what is here either. Let's check here. Okay, oh, we skip one. All right, yeah, you can see what I use here the most: long position and what short position. That's why I put it in what favorite. Now, how does this work? This helps you in calculating your risks to reward ratio. For instance, let's see how it works. Let me take this off. All right, let me take this off. Let's assume I'm going for, all right, just assumption, this is a long position. Now let's assume if I say this will buy, you understand? So this is my risk and this is my reward. So I can actually extend this. You can see what I'm risking. What am I risking? I'm risking what? How many pips is this? I'm risking 16. I'm risking 16.4 pips. Yeah, that's the pitch I'm risking. I'm risking what? 16.4 pips. To gain how many pips? To gain 45.7 pips. Yeah, and that is what, how many risks to reward is that? That is what, 2.79. Let me just say approximately that's 3 reward. That means I'm risking 16.4 to gain almost times 3 of it. So this is for long position. It tells you your risk reward. It tells you how many pips you are risking and how many pips you are what I'm gaining. Alright, let me take this off. That's for long position. Also, we also have what, short position. You can see short position. Let's assume if this will sell. Let's assume I say to what, sell. So I just put it here and then I use my targeted risk to reward. Let's see how many I'm risking. Alright, I'm risking 12.8 to gain what? To gain what? 35.4. So I can choose to extend my risk to reward. Yeah, I can choose to extend it. You see this? Alright. Now look at this. I'm risking 12.8 pips to gain what? To gain 51 pips. That's almost, you can see this is 3.99. That's 4 times I'm mixing 1 to gain what? 4. You see 3.99 is approximately what? 4. Or should I just make it 4 exactly? Alright, you can see. Yeah, you can see. So that's just what short position is for. Alright, okay, let me just take this off. Alright, what else? I think that's all I used there. I don't really use all of this. So next we have the what? We have the brush. You can see the brush is also in what favorite because I use it sometimes. Alright, I use it. You can see we have anything. You can just feel free to play with its feature. Feel free to explore TradingView features. And see this is for arrow. And see that's how it works. Just feel free to explore. And see this, that's how this works. You can see you can even drag it this for this arrow down, like you want to manipulate anything and you just feel like using this. Let me see, there's also arrow up. Yeah, this arrow mark up like this. You see, let's have you want to manipulate anything. So that's just how it works. So let me just delete or remove everything. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, look at this. We have what? Let's assume you want to write anything and see. And also, if you feel like editing it also, this is where you just come to. You can see, you come here and see lock. This for lock. If you lock this now, you won't be able to move anywhere. Here is it again. That's what the lock is just for. Now if I unlock it, you can see, don't mind me, I'm just writing anything to show you example. So you can move it. Alright, you can see this is settings. You can change the color, change anything. Feel free to explore that on your own. Not a problem. Alright, that's just what it's for. What is this for? We also have emojis, different kinds of emojis. If you are a very funny person and you feel like just using some of these emojis on your chat, you can see anything at all. But I don't use emojis either. We also have pin. Okay, this pin in case you want to pin anything. Alright, look at this. This is a ruler. This is to measure pip. And see how many pips is this? This is 73 pips, which means that from year to year is what? Oh, this is 74 pips. And see, which means from year to year is what? 74.9. So approximately what? 75 pips. You can see. So that's what the ruler is for. Alright, let's assume I want to measure the down peak also. You can see it's giving me 43, okay, 45. It's giving me 46 pip. You can see 46.7 pip, approximately 47 pips also. That's how it just works. Alright, this is for zoom. Let's assume I want to zoom a particular candle. Just zoom it and see. I want to zoom it closely to see the what high, to see the low, see the open and close. That's what it's for. So zoom out. That's just all. So next we have what? Magnets. We have, you see, we have weak magnet and what? Strong magnet. Magnet is just for when you are annotating something, so it will be in that particular place. Exactly. Let me just show you an example. For instance, let's assume you see this, these are the most things I use, so you can even move it to anywhere. Let's assume it's disturbing me and I can feel like moving it. I can move it here. You see, look at this now. Let's assume, let me just show you how the magnet works. Look at this. And see, weak magnet. Like if I want to annotate a candle exact weak, or a candle exact open or close, whatever, you can see. So the magnet doesn't allow you to just move anyhow. It stick it like magnet. It doesn't just move anyhow. Stick that and see. That's how. So if I use strong magnet, it's just going to be as if it's magneting the. Look at this now. I use strong magnets and see. Alright, so that's just how that works. Okay, what is this? Stay in drawing mode. For instance, if I click stay in drawing mode now, it means that when I'm drawing, look at this. Yeah, when I'm drawing, I don't have to click it again. Yes, once I just click stay in drawing mode, I don't have to click it again. I'll just continue drawing. I can just continue drawing. Don't mind what I'm doing. I'm just showing. The goal is to just understand what I'm teaching. Alright, that's what stay in drawing mode is for. We also have lock all drawings. You can see. For instance, now let me draw again. Look at this. Let me draw. You can see. Now I can easily move what I've drawn. Can easily be moved. You can see. I can easily move what I've drawn. But if I lock, look at this, lock all drawings. If I lock it, it cannot be moved. You can see. Can't move this. You can see. I can't move this. Unlike when let me unlock it. Alright, you can see when it's unlocked, and easily be remove. Alright, that's very good. Alright, let me just take that out. Alright, hide all drawings. This is for hide. See, alright, let's assume you've drawn something and you want to hide it. Just easily come here and what? Alright, use it. Let's come here and see what you can see. Hidden. If you click it, it's going to hide. And see. Alright, that's it. Alright, what is this for? New drawing with same thing layout. Alright, let me just show you that. For instance, now look at this now. Look at this. Can you see this full layout? You can see. Look at this. This is EURUSD. If you are using the essential plan, you'll be able to have 2 charts per tab, meaning you can check 2 charts simultaneously on one tab. Look at this. I have EURUSD and I have what GBPUSD. So I can monitor what is going on in EURUSD, and at the same time I can monitor what is happening in GBPUSD. That's if I'm trading it anyway. Let me just show you how this works. So let me just put EURUSD here also. EURUSD. EURUSD. Alright, look at this now. Let me show you how this works. So if I put new drawings with same thing layout, it means that if I draw something here, it will also appear here. You see that? Let me see what time frame this is. Alright, this is in 1 hour. Let me put this in 15 minutes also. You can see. If you anything you draw here, you understand? Anything you draw here, you can see that's the meaning of that. All right, so let me go back to just one layout. Good. So this is for what? For remove or drawing. Let's assume you put a lot of things on your on your charts or a lot of indicators. You can just easily remove everything at once instead of deleting it individually. Do you understand? That's what it's actually for. You can see I'll just watch remove 3 drawings. Alright, very good. This for what favorite. Look at this. This favorite. Look at this. If I would toggle it off, you can see once I toggle it off, everything I've put in favorite what disappears. Let me toggle it on again. You can see. Alright, that's very good. Alright, what is this for? This for what? Customize time frame. I've showed you that before. What is this for? This for candles. Candles, you can see. If you like use bar, that's if you are using bar. You can see the bar, this bar. Alright, if you prefer to see what, if you prefer the line, you can see this line. As at the time I'm recording this video, it's on a weekend. Yeah, today is Sunday, so market is not open. If not, it would have been moving. Market is closed on Sunday. Alright, the market will open later tonight. That's the Tokyo section. Alright, so let me go back to candlestick. Alright, you can do good. So this is for indicators. Yeah, so on. Indicators. This is for alert. To create alerts, just come here. This is for bar replay mode. I've shown you that earlier. Alright, now what is this for? This is for what? Layout setup. Look at this. Look at this. I have 2 charts. I see USD. If you are using the essential allows for what? 2 tab. 2 charts per tab. But if you are using the plus allows for what? 4 plan per chart. If you are using the plus, you can have something like this. This thing. Very good. And say I have USD here. I have, if you have USD here, I have the USD here. If you like, you can put anything here also. You can put USD JPY here if you like. You can monitor 4 different things at the same time. USD JPY. It's not necessarily it's forex. It could be other assets like crypto or alright, let me put Bitcoin here. It could be other assets like futures, crypto, indices, anything. Let me put Bitcoin here. Let me Bitcoin. Yeah, let me put crypto. And put BTC USD, USDT. Alright, you can see. So you can see I have 4 different. Yeah, I have 3 currency pairs and 1 crypto pair. You can see this. Alright, that's just it. That's just for the plus. So if you are using plus allows for what? 4 charts per tab. Is that clear? But I'm using the premium, so I'm entitled to up to 8. Let me show you how it is. So if you are using the premium, you can use 5, you can use 6, you can use 7. Look at 5. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the premium, the maximum charts per tab for the premium is 8. Let me just show you that. I see. So 8. Alright, that's all about that. So another thing about the paid account is that you can also save layouts. Let me show you what that means. It means that you can set different charts. You can set it to different settings. Let me just show you that. Alright, look at this now. Look at this. Let me show you. I just specifically this like how I like my chart to be specifically. I like my bullish candle to be white and my bearish candle to be red, but I did this specifically for this video to show you that you can actually have different layouts. You can see this now. Here my bullish candle is blue and my bearish candle is also red. So you can actually save this. This is actually saved. Understand? It's actually saved, and I'm using the premium, so I can have unlimited layouts. And I can save different kind of things here. I can have different kind of things, write different kind of things here and save it, and also have other pairs or other assets like that. So that's what the premium gives you entitlement to. If you want the essential, you can get it on TradingView app or TradingView website for well, it might sound expensive, but there's a good news. TradingView do give over 50% discount during the Black Friday. So if you want TradingView plan because of the features like backtesting, ads free, so you can just wait for the Black Friday, which is every November, and maximize or utilize its use. All right, let's just talk about some editings. How I came about these editings. All right, let's assume your chart has just been in, like, maybe you don't like the way your chart is. You can just right click. When you right click, you'll be able to reset it. You can see you reset it. Now you can also right click again to set for settings. You can see here you can do any kind of settings. Look at symbol. All right, let me just take this one side so you can see what's going on. All right, let me take it one side. Look at this now, symbol. And what do I have in my symbol? I have what? Body. Look at the body. The body of my candle is what? White, but I can decide to change to any color, maybe blue. You can see I've changed it to blue, but you know why it's not looking real? It's actually blue. It's because of the what? Borders. You understand? I changed it to what? Blue. Now look at what is my border. My border is also white. What is borders? Borders is the edge of the candle. This edge like this is still white. You understand? So let me change it to blue now. It's like exactly blue. You see, I've changed it. So borders is the what? Edge of the candle. We also have what? Wick. And see the wick. And see the wick. I prepared this color for my wick, but you can change yours to any color that suits you. Any color that suits you. Any color that suits you. Any color. You see that? Any color. But let me just leave it where I put it before. You see that? So that's just that. Let me change it back to white. And if you wish to change the red color also, you wish to change this. So I don't know. You wish to change to any color at all. You can see. Wish to change to any color. And do that. Or I just prefer the red. Alright, that's how you change your candle colors. Let's go to status line and see what we have here. Alright, we have logo. Let's see what that is for. Alright, you can see when I toggle it off, there was actually a logo here. Let me toggle it on back. Alright, you can see logo for Euro USD. Alright, now we have title, ticker, and description. Alright, look at this, ticker and description. Let me see what that is for. Alright, let me just use the description. Alright, to see description, we only have what? Euro US dollar. Let's see what the ticker is for. Okay, ticker just told us Euro USD. Let's see what the description is for again. Description Euro US dollar. See, let's use ticker and description. So it's telling us Euro USD, Euro versus United States dollar. That's what that slash means, versus United States dollar. Alright, let's see what we have. Chart value. What is chart value for? Alright, you can see chart value is going to tell you the OHLC. That is the open, high, low, and close. You can see it's going to tell you the open. It's going to tell you where this candle open, any candle you are. You understand? You see, I'm on this candle, so that means it's telling me that the open of that candle was 1.046 something. It's telling me the high, it's telling me the low. That's just what chart value means. So if I toggle it off, you're not able to see that, but if I on it, you can see. Alright, bar change values. Look at this. Where is the bar change values? Let me see. You can see you can see this is the bar change values. Alright, when I toggle it off, you can see what is the bar change value? It refers to the percentage or absolute price change between bars, that's between candlesticks on the chart. That's what it is. So you don't really have to bother much about that. What is important is just know what the settings for. Look at volume. This volume here. Let me toggle it off. You see, you won't see any volume. Alright, if I toggle it on, do you know what this volume is for? Volume tells you the amount of lots, contracts, or shares that was bought and sold in a particular candlestick. Alright, let me talk. Alright, look at this now. It's telling us that what 1.3K, that's 1.3 thousand That means here there was 1.3 thousand lots shares and contracts that was sold. Let me take it here. You can see 3.7k. Let me take it here. You can see 5.83k. You can see, yeah. So that's the amount of what. And you can see that this candle ended bearish, meaning that this candle ended bearish. You can see it means that a lot of selling activities actually happened here than buying. Is that clear? Alright, that's that about that. Now let's go to scales and lines. Alright, scales and lines. Alright, currency value always visible, always invisible. Alright, let's see what this is for. You can see I put always invisible because I don't actually need it. You can see what is it for. Let me put all. You can see if I always invisible currency, and but if I toggle it on, you see something here. Alright, let's just do that again. Always visible. You can see USD. If I put visible on mouse over, and then I'm over my mouse there, you will see it. If I take my mouse, you won't see it. But I don't just need that. I'll just make it so visible because I already have this here. So we have scales mode A and L. But now, if I put always invisible, you won't see it, and you won't see it. You won't see it. And if I put visible on mouse over, and see, I think I might. So I don't actually need it. Let me just put some. I think what that does is that the chart moves continuously. Yeah, so the chart moves continuously. You can see in a downtrend, when let's assume this candle gets here and a downtrend, so the chart adjusts itself. Yeah, so the chart adjusts itself automatically. But I think when you toggle that on, you can be able to reset it manually, yeah, by yourself. That's what that should be for. All right, let's check what else we have. All right, countdown to back close. All right, this just means that for instance, it will show you how many minutes remaining for this candle to close. As at the time I'm shooting the video, it's on a weekend, so the market is not open, but I will still use crypto pair to show you what countdown to back close means. But let me just show you now before I forget. All right, on weekends, market isn't usually, forex market is not open this weekend until late in the night. Before, let me just use it to show you example crypto pair and show you what countdown to back close means. Right, I don't like this. Let me just use BTC. Let me use BTC USD. Alright, alright, let's see. Let's look at what countdown to back close means. You can see it's telling us this is a 15 minutes candle, and what is it telling us? It's telling us that it remain what you can see it's telling us that it remain 12.44 or 42 seconds now for the candle to what close. That's what counts down to back close means. It will tell you the time remaining for this candle to what close. This is a 15 minutes candle. It means that it takes 15 minutes for this candle to form. Each candle you are seeing takes 15 minutes. It takes this 15 minutes, take this 15 minutes. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, it takes what 1 hour for each candle to form. So it's telling you that for this candle to form, it just remain what 12 minutes and what 2 seconds to form. Let me toggle it off. You can see as I've toggled it off, you can see it's no longer there. You can see, but if I toggle it on, you will see it exactly. Very good. But that's just what it is. So let me just go back to my Euro USD. Let me go back to my forex pair. Alright. Alright. Okay. Now we have all of this. You don't really need to bother about all of this. You can explore it on your own. I'll just show you the most important thing that you need. The most important settings is what I'll show you here. Alright, look at this now. Date format. My date format is in. Alright, let me pick it up again. My date format is in Monday, September 29, 1997. That doesn't mean my date is in 1997. It's only my format. Alright, look at this now. Can you see? Can you see? This means this was on Friday, February 21. You can see this on Friday, February 21, 2025. You can see. But if I should change the format, let me just put the format like this. If I do like this, you won't see the date, you only see September. If I do like this, you can see, instead of seeing 2025, instead of seeing what 2025, you are only seeing what 25. So I don't want that. I want it to show full. So I just choose this. So I just choose what this, and you can see screen what 2025. It will tell you the time. Alright, so my time format, there I want it to 24 hours or 12 hours. So I actually want it to 24 hours. Alright, so that's that about these skills online. Let's go to Canvas and see what we have there. Alright, look at what we have in Canvas. We have the word gradients. We have the gradient. Let's see. You can see. You can change it to any color. You can change it to any color. You can see. You can see. You can see. You can change this. That's just what the gradient means. But I actually prefer this. Alright, look at what. Let's see what this is for. Alright, yeah, same thing. Can't prepare this. Alright, look at this now. We have our words vertical and horizontal. Let's see what this is for. You can see. You can see this. You can see this is just this vertical. But the opacity will make you to see it more visible. You can see. That's what it is. That's what it's for. Then let me just leave it like okay. Let me go to the horizontal. You can see if I decide to choose this also. If I use the opacity, you can see. Who wants this? Now I don't want this. No. I don't want this. Okay. So let me just put this in the normal thing. This normal H3. Alright, that's just what that is for. Alright, look at the watermark. Look at watermark. Watermark is just the logo. You can see this. You can see Euro USD dollar, but I don't need it because I already have my Euro USD. I have my Euro USD here. So I'll just toggle it off. So we also have the word text. Let's see, we have the word text. Alright, you can see that's how you want your text to be. Yes, how you want this to be. That's skills. All this one now is for your skills. You see that. So we have lines. What is the lines for? Alright, you can see the lines. You can see this line here. You can see the line. This line here. This line. There's the line here. So any color you want it to be, you can see. You can see. Your opacity will actually make it more visible. You can see. That's what the opacity does. It makes it visible. You can see. Using anything. And see, so let me just read it. That's what it's for. So your choice. So that's what it actually is for. So let's see navigation. Alright, navigation always visible on mouse over. Alright, let's see what this is for. You can see my navigation. You can see this. You can look at this now. Always visible. Like this. With this now, I can easily adjust my chart. Like you can see. I can easily adjust it. Or like this, I can make it bigger, or like this, I can move it like this and see. Alright, that's what it actually is for. That's what it's for. If I put visible on mouse over, that means anytime I over my mouse, that's going to be there for. I don't need it. Alright, let's go to the margin and see what the margin is for. Alright, look at the margin, top margin, look at what it does. And see if you keep increasing it, you see. And see. Alright, 25 is actually the highest. So let me just reduce it. Alright, to 10. So you can see the bottom margin to push it to the bottom. Push it. That's what it's for. Alright, let me just leave it at 8. You can see right. And see. You can see. And that's just what it's for, and that is all for that settings. So let's go to trading. Alright, We don't need any of this either. Why? Because I don't use TradingView to place my trade. I use MT5 to place my trade. So the settings here are not relevant. You can actually use TradingView to place your trade. Yes, that's very possible if your broker is what connected. If your broker is on TradingView, then you connect your broker, then you can use TradingView to place trade. But since I don't use TradingView to place my trade, all of this is not needed. So alerts, yeah, you can create alerts, yeah, automatically hide posts, please for notification, active alerts, just for creating alert. We have events, look at this, we have section breaks. So section breaks actually tells you when one section ends and when another section begins. We have the Tokyo section, the London section, and the New York section. Alright, I just have to take this off. So we have the economic event for news. You can look at it here and see economic event before what news, and see. If you toggle it on, you see all sorts of news, but I don't need that because I have what forest factory. Just go to your browser and use type forest factory. You see all the news that you need here for your trade, for your trading. Exactly, that's good. Latest news also, you can see this for latest news. I don't need it either. Alright, look at this search button. For instance, if you have any tools but you don't know where exactly it is, but you remember the name, you can just easily type it. Yeah, and the name what, and just easily type it and the name what pop up. That's what it's for. Alright, look at this. These are the settings. Look at this is for full screen. If I toggle it off now and see I have what full screen. Just get the initial screen back. Just press Shift plus the F key. You have it back. And this is for what download. This is what take a snapshot. You can see here you can download. You can download it to your system. You can copy and paste it anywhere on your WhatsApp or Telegram. You can even copy the link and open another tab. You can even tweet it. Exactly. You can publish it. You see, share your idea with the trade community. You see, TradingView is primarily a trading and chatting. That's chat, CHART platform. Chatting means it has to do with all these chats, something like. But you still have inbuilt social features, like you can chat with other traders, you can create accounts, you can follow other traders and also gain followers. Alright, you don't really have to worry about this. You can chat with other traders. Just that. And your chat can be private. Private means you can send to a specific trader, to an individual trader, or public. If your chat is public, means everyone in the trading community can see it, and you can chat about different assets like forex, crypto, stock, anything. Alright, you don't really have to worry about this screen now. Alright, calendars, this is for calendars, options. Alright, community feed. Here everybody gets to talk about different kind of things about trading. Alright, this is for what notifications. This is for what chat assistance. Let's assume you have any problem or you have any difficulty, you need to talk with any of TradingView assistants. That's what this is for. Alright, let me just show you how the rectangle is used. Look at the rectangle. You can use it to highlight something, maybe a fair value gap. And see, you can use it to highlight something. Look at this. This is a fair value gap. Exactly, there's a fair value gap here, although the fair value gap has already been filled. You can see this is actually a fair value gap. So that's how I use the rectangle. So you can write in it. You can see, let me just say FVG for fair value gap. You can see it's written there. Alright, so if you even wish to edit it, probably you don't like the color, you can see you can edit it to any color of your choice. Edit it. You can see you can edit it, but I actually like this. You can see what is this for. Okay, for what is inside, you can see. You can see. Alright, just feel free to play with the settings. Alright, that's that. You can expand it. So that is all for that. All right, here's something very important. Here is for time zone. All right, you can see you can just come here and choose any time, wherever your time, wherever your country is, for your specific time zone. You can choose it here. You can see. Alright, this is London, anytime you are in. So you can see I'm in Lagos. I'm in Lagos, Nigeria. So I'm presently, this is the time. Alright, so now you notice something, that market is already open. Alright, you can see market is already open. So, but as at the time I shot the full video, it was on Sunday, but now it was on Monday. It was after I noticed that I don't include time zone, that I will do this. So that is all for this video. TradingView has a whole lot of features, so feel free to explore it on your own. But the basic things I've just shown you here is what you need. The most important thing you need. Is that clear? If you've learned something in this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more trading tips to level up your trading journey.